Hi, my name is Hiren. I'm CEO and co-founder of Zave. And Zave is a mobile shopping assistant that pops up whenever you're at any commerce app or website, be it your food delivery, be it your grocery ordering, be it your shopping app, or maybe even your flight ticket booking app. So our proposition is very simple. There are too many desktop extension which amazingly helps users automating the shopping experience, but there are literally none for the mobile first shoppers, especially considering in India most of us started using internet on mobile first. Now, as a mobile shopping assistant, we have to start solving the problem for anyone who shops online and not just the power shoppers to build the distribution. So, the problem that we are going after is online shoppers love discount, which is additional and which is not displayed in merchants' offer section. By using that third party discount, they just feel exclusive and satisfied on more savings. But the problem is, it's very inconvenient and time consuming to find for a valid one, and the code which doesn't have a lot of terms and condition. So what can we do about it? The solution that we have built is Zave pops up whenever you're at any shopping checkout page, right? Be it your food delivery, be it your ride hailing, be it your ticket booking, be it your shopping app, right? At the checkout page, we search for the best discount, which is not displayed at the merchant section, offer section. And on just a click of button, they can generate the code and apply the code automatically. And it works like magic. The time I took to explain this, it probably takes one third of the time to just and for the entire process to happen rapidly. So I have my phone in my hand where I'm sharing the screen and where Zave is installed. So say for example, if I want to order food and I'm based out of India, maybe I'll go to Zomato or Swiggy. So in this case, let's say I'll go to Zomato, right? And what I'll do is I'll randomly add something to cart. Let's say a burger would be good. Okay. And the moment I land to the checkout page, right, and then apply for the discount which is available on Zomato, right, I can see that there's this plugin which appeared, right, which popped up and which is saying that get 4% off on the total bill, right? And when I click on it, it redirects me what is the best way to get that 4%, right? So in this case, voucher is the best way, right? I can enter the amount and I can just quickly generate the voucher, right? Now, this plugin works with most of the top brands that you can think, right? So let's say just randomly, let's select the brand. Let's say I'll select Nike, and so I know nothing about cosmetics, but I'll just quickly try something. Let's say Redken, and I'll quickly add something to the bag. Yep. So the moment this plugin detected that I've added something to bag, it appeared, and now it's showing that 7% on Nika, right? Now, what happens where there's a discovery based shopping, right? When I say discovery based shopping, that means users who have seen something, let's say for example on Instagram, and they click on the website link, they're either redirected to Instagram's own browser or they are redirected to Chrome or Safari, right? So in this case, we have enabled the Chrome shopping as well. Where whatever website that you're using or whatever shopping app that you're using, we can detect and we can see if we already have the coupon code or promo code or voucher available for that platform, and we can just appear there. So say for example, I'll just pick First Cry on my, let's say, Chrome, right? I'll just do the surfing. I don't know where the cart is, but can I maybe? Yep. So in this case, let's say I've again got the First Cry pop-up appearing, right? And for case of, let's say, First Cry, it's a promo code which is asking me what is the maximum shopping that I want to do. On that basis, they can generate the promo code, right? So yeah, this is the short demonstration of how Zave works. In the next release, what we are trying to do is we are trying to generate the coupon code then and there at the merchant page, let's say in here, without them leaving the app, so that we help merchants also close the cart immediately without any distraction. Now, using this technology, there's a bunch of possibilities that we can unlock as a shopping assistant, right? And couple of insights that we have got, and on that we have formed our roadmap. So the first thing that we can do is we have got to know this low end credit cards, the low end credit cards which doesn't have any joining fees or annual fees, doesn't offer good rewards, right? So by nature, users tend to not use this low end credit cards and tend to use the UPI for convenience, right? So what we can do is we can actually make this low end credit cards more rewarding by topping up it with the affiliate discount, right? And automatically helping them fill the card details. So in case of in this case, we are competing with, let's say, high end credit card for rewards and convenience of UPI for filling the card details. The next thing that we can do is a lot of our users gave this insight that for large purchases they tend to wait for the price to meet their budget, right? So in this case, whenever we see that a user is actually at a large purchase item where the amount is more, right, we can dynamically pop up and tell them that if you would want to add it to the price drop alert list, and whenever the price drops from, let's say, 90,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees, we show them the alert that, hey, your Lenovo laptop have become 80,000 now. Would you want to shop? And in future, maybe we can even order for them if we already have the card details, and then they can just set the target amount. And if the price has dropped to the target amount, there's a possibility for us to do that as well. And lastly, the insight that we have got is most of our users tend to compare before buying any product, right? So let's say in this case, where a user is shuffling between product to product of same category, the plugin knows that they are comparing the product, right? So in that case, we can show them that, hey, this particular product that you're looking to buy, and we exactly know what product you're looking to buy, right? This is the product which is available maybe cheaper at three other partner stores that we have. So something about our traction. So we launched our product around 3 months back as a beta, and so far we have generated around 50 lakh rupees in GMV, and we have on an average helped users save around 10%. That is around rupees 5 lakhs. Why now? So there are two reasons that has made this product and model a wonderful possibility. Number one is mobile operating system encouragement. Now, because of advancement in AI and too many automation tool exist for desktop, mobile operating system have been launching favorable policies for developers to start building automation apps. Few of the companies are already taking advantages of this is Grammarly, Duolingo, Google's Gemini, and Samsung's Galaxy AI. And the second reason is advancement in LLM. So for the product like us, which is doing too many things at a time, where we are showing the discount at checkout, where we are showing the price drop for the large purchases, where we are also doing comparison, it would have been very difficult for us to identify which page is doing what. And considering that a e-commerce app is completely different than, let's say, a flight booking app. A flight booking app is completely different than, let's say, a food delivery app, and a food delivery app is completely different than ride hailing app, right? When do we know that when to appear, at what checkout page to appear? And for thousands of merchant, every merchant have different UI, different UX. So to help you explain why accuracy is more important than possibility, I'll just go back to my screen and I'll show you one example. So let's say in case of Uber, users tend to book the ride immediately as soon as they are in the app, right? In this case, we cannot wait for them to land to the payment method page, right? So in this case, you can see that Zave have popped up immediately when they are at Uber's homepage, right? Versus let's say a app like, let's say, Amazon, where users have to do the product comparison first, product they have to go to the product details first, and for this plugin to not annoy them, we cannot appear at home screen, so we have to appear at the right time. So our language learning model has made this a wonderful possibility in terms of making it accurately defining it for user when to appear and for what feature to appear. Now, what are we trying to achieve through this? So, with 90% of the mobile first shoppers in India and globally, our mission is to delight and simplify the shopping experience for the 50 million plus power shoppers, right? And ultimately become a shopping assistant that stays on everyone's phone. Now, if you have the link to this video, I'm sure you must have got the deck as well, where you can find what is our moat, what is our business model, why are we the best team to pull this off, and lastly, what is our ask. We would love to see you backing us with your capital and expertise. Thank you so much.